In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a team in Basecamp. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a dedicated workspace set up for your team with everyone invited and organized, so communication stays clear and focused. First, let's create a new project, which will act as your team's main workspace. Go ahead and log in to your Basecamp account. Once you're on the home page, look for the New Project button. Depending on your version of Basecamp, this is usually along the left side or in the top menu bar. Click that button to start setting things up. You'll be asked to give your project a name. This is more important than it might seem at first, because the name helps everyone immediately understand the purpose of that space. Choose something that clearly reflects what this team is about, like sales team, product launch crew, or customer support group. A clear name makes it easier to find and keeps things from getting confused later if you create more teams or projects. Once your project is created, you'll land on that project's main page. This is where you'll add your team members. Look for an option labeled Invite People or Add People. It's typically near the top of the page or inside the project's settings. Click that, and you'll see a place to add names or email addresses. Start typing in the people you want on this team. You can add them one by one, or paste in several email addresses if your Basecamp setup allows it. Take a moment to double-check that you're inviting the right people to this specific workspace, especially if your company uses Basecamp for multiple teams. When you're ready, click Add or Send Invite. Everyone you've added will get an invitation to join that project space, and once they accept, they'll see the same tools and conversations you do. Now, let's talk about organizing your teams and communication. In Basecamp, think of each project as its own team space. For example, you might have one project for the management team and another for the development department. Each project keeps its own messages, to-dos, and files, which helps conversations stay on topic and reduces noise for people who don't need to see everything. On top of that, you can use groups to simplify communication across multiple projects. In your admin or people management area, create a group for a specific function, like marketing. Once that's set up, you can use the group name as an @mention, such as @marketing, to notify everyone in that group at once. This way, you can reach the right people quickly without adding them to every single project, keeping your Basecamp account clean and well organized while still making sure the right teams stay in the loop.